good afternoon, fans. Good afternoon, my friends. How are you doing? How's your day going? Hope it's going very well. Okay, so last week I made a video concerning the importance of selected fruits. Today I'll be looking at this fruit is important fruit, soursop. I'm going to list the 10 health benefits of soursop. Okay, number one is it relieves inflammatory diseases. Yes, it contains anti-inflammatory property that helps to relieve symptoms of inflammatory diseases like arthritis, arthrosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. You can see this. Then number two is it prevents diabetes. Very important. Yes, it contains the antioxidants that help to prevent or to protect the pancreatic cells that produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone that is produced by this pancreas, which helps to regulate the amount of sugar in the blood. If there is no production of this insulin in the blood, or there is no production of it by this pancreas, it will result to high level of sugar in the blood, which we call diabetes. So you can see the benefits of taking soursop. And this, the number three is that it maintains eye health. Very important that you see. It contains this lutein. It's an antioxidant which is important for good eyesight, eye vision. It's very important that you take these fruits. It also helps to prevent the development of some eye defects like cataract and macular degeneration. Okay, you see the benefits. I'm listening, I'm so happy. Okay, so the next one is that it protects the stomach. It contains antioxidants and the anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce the free radicals in the stomach, thereby reducing the acid production in the stomach. You can see it also helps to prevent some of these diseases of the stomach like ulcer and gastritis. You see what I'm telling you? See what I'm telling you? Very important that you take soursop. The next one, which is number 5, is that it manages stress. It manages stress and anxiety because it contains alanine and acimilobin, which is good to the nervous system. So you can see it helps to manage stress because of these properties that it contains. And the next one is that it regulates blood pressure. It contains potassium. I told you about potassium last week. It contains potassium, which helps to regulate the blood pressure. So start taking these fruits if you are not taking it, or if you have not started thinking of that. The next number I take, number 6 is okay. Number 7 is it boosts the immune system. It boosts the immune system. It contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important. It helps to boost the immune system cells because vitamin C helps to fight diseases. Free radicals are being fought by the presence of this vitamin C. Okay, the next one is it combats constipation because it contains water and is rich in fiber. So it helps to promote natural bowel movements. Okay, the next one is it maintains hydration because it contains water, about 82 grams of water. 82 grams of water. So it makes the body to be hydrated all the time. I normally take it during hot weather or in a hot environment, or even before exercise. You take it before engaging in exercise. So it helps to keep the body hydrated. That's number 9. Then the next one, which is the last one, is that it prevents the possible risk of cancer. Yes, because it contains one property we call acetinogen. This acetinogen, studies have proven that they have ability to fight cancerous cells. And when you're taking this soursop for a long time, it helps to prevent or treat some cancers like breast cancers, colon cancers, lung cancers, and the last one, prostate cancer. You see, one thing about this SOURSOP is it's not only the fruit that contains all these properties, the leaves. Very important fruit that people are neglecting. Maybe it's not that sweet that you enjoy, but at the end of this, I believe you start taking the fruits. The leaves contain most of these health benefits. Now, but you have to make the leaves, make it to be in form of tea. Now, how do you do this? Get the leaves, let them dry. After drying, get about 10 grams of it. Now, then get the 10 grams of it, get your 1 liter of water, boil the water. As the water is boiling, add the dried leaves of this SOURSOP. Now close it and allow it to boil like 5 to 10 minutes. Bring it down, allow it to cool, start taking it. A glass of it, full glass of it every morning. You see these wonders that I've just listed now. Thank you so much. I believe you've learned a lot. You've learned a lot. I will advise and I will encourage you, please, if you have not started taking this, look for this fruit. Very important fruit. Very, very important. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Share this video. Keep following my page. Like this video as well and share it. Thank you so much. I'll see you some other time. Probably, in fact, next week. I'll see you next week. Keep enjoying your day. Thank you.